Alright guys, we got a Hustler X1 in here. I got it running right now. Listen real close. There's a tick. You can hear a slight tick in this engine. What that is the valves need to be adjusted. They're a little bit loose, and when them rocker arms are sitting there flopping, you can hear them clattering a little bit. So this one's in for a service, so we're going to knock that out while it's in here. Stay tuned and come along. I'll show you how to do it. Get another rack here because I melted my pig mat. All that is melted. Let's put that up there for just a second. Catch that oil. There we go. We're going to replace this gasket. That's the best thing Kawasaki ever did when they changed the gasket material to like a head gasket style, because it does not leave any residue stuck to the head or the valve cover. Makes it a lot easier. Now we get this side on top dead center, and then we can adjust. Bow, bow. Alright, the piston's at the top right there, but both of the valves are trying to move, so that's the wrong stroke. So we'll go down and back up to right there. Both valves are loose now, and these are way off. Definitely need some attention. You're gonna need two 10 millimeters. I've already got one over there, which I'm gonna use two stationary one. My feeler gauge, we're gonna adjust them to 4 thousandths on the top and the bottom, exhaust and the intake. That may not be spec, but that's just how we've been doing it for years, and we have good luck with it. 0.004. Way off. Let's see just where these are actually at right now. They're at 16 thousandths, and they need to be at 4. So there's quite a bit of ways out. We break our top jam nut loose on both of them, and it has a cam style adjuster, so you just turn the bottom one way or the other and it'll tighten it up for you. Tighten it down on your feeler gauge till you have some resistance, and then hold it and tighten your lock nut back down. Perfect. There we go. These are probably the easiest valves to adjust on these 850s. And there we go, that's all there is to it. Now let's go get us a new gasket and put on this side, put that back on, and then we got to go over here, put this side on top dead center and adjust it. Pretty quick on these. Let's go get some valve cover gaskets. 0899, 0899. There's two of them. Always make sure there's some left. There's 4 more for the next guy. Ain't nothing worse than coming to get a part and somebody hadn't reordered it. We got 2 gaskets here. Free balling. All right, now let's go over here to this side. Same thing, get on the correct stroke. Right there. These are way off. There's jam nuts on the bottom of these. Perfect. Perfect. On this one, you have to get your fuel pump impulse hose plugged back in. Alrighty, that's all there is to that. Now we'll get some oil back in this thing and see if it sounds a little better. Clean up the tools we don't need. Well, he brought me stuff to surface it with, but he must have needed to use some oil because that one's halfway empty. So we'll put this one and another one in it. And we run straight 30 in these motors around here. See if I can make it. Slap the fuel filter on and start it. See if y'all can tell the difference in the sound. You may not be able to on video, but I promise you it ain't gonna be clattering like it was. Whew, that air filter is dirty. Yeah. All right. All right, let's see what she do. Oil pressure. I don't know if you can hear it or not, but it sounds a lot better. And that is how you adjust your valves on the FX850. Thanks for watching, guys. Y'all keep rinsing.